Hey there, this is Matt from GravityWiz. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to copy the selected choices from a checkbox or multiple choice field to a list field using GP Copycat. In this example, we'll be asking users to select the types of pets they own in a checkbox field and copy this over to a list field. The first step is to ensure GP Copycat is installed and activated in Spellbook. Once that's done, we can head back over to the form. We'll need to make a note of the ID of the checkbox field and also the ID of the list field. In this example, the checkbox field is ID 1 and the list field is ID 2. Now we know that, we can head to the field settings of the field we are copying from and open the Appearance tab. We can then enter the special Copycat CSS class into the custom CSS class setting. It's important to get the formatting right here. We'll start with the word copy, and then a dash. We then specify the field ID we are copying from, in this case the checkbox field, which is ID 1. That's followed by a dash, and the word to, and another dash. Finally, we specify the field ID we are copying to, in this case the list field, which is ID 2. So in our example, the CSS class says copy 1 to 2. Let's save the form and preview it to see what happens. You'll notice that when I select pets in the checkbox field, these are copied to the list field automatically, with a new row being added each time. If I deselect a pet, that row is automatically removed. Now, this is all well and good and may be perfect for your use case, but what if we need to collect additional information about each pet? Well, that's possible too, as we can also copy to a multi-column list field. Let's head back to the form editor and see how to do that. First of all, I'm going to edit my list field and under the General tab, enable multiple columns. I'm going to go for 2 columns and call them pet type and quantity. All that's left now is to tell Copycat which column we need to copy the choices to. We'll need to head back to the checkbox field, open the Appearance tab again, and edit our Copycat CSS class. Looking at the list field ID at the end of the CSS class, we just need to add a period, followed by the column number. In our case, we're copying to the first column, so we'll put 1. So our CSS class now says copy 1 to 2.1, which means copy field 1, the checkbox field, to the first column of field 2, our list field. Let's save the form and see how it behaves now. As I select the pets, they're copied the same as before, but this time to the first column of the list field. This leaves the second column blank, allowing the user to enter the data that they need. As before, if I deselect a pet from the checkbox, this row is automatically removed from the list field. I hope this video has been useful in learning how to use GP Copycat to copy from a choice-based field to a list field. If you have any questions about this or run into any issues, reach out to support, where one of our support wizards will be more than happy to help.